welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's another Sunday cooking episode. I've just arrived here at the Umkuka and Uncle has already scraped the ulu and the breadfruit and the taro, and also the coconuts. So yeah, like I said in the previous episode, it's whoever wakes up first. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on the umu. Probably again less talk, more cooking, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and just want to say thank you again, guys, for the support and the growth of this channel as well. Because of you guys, really appreciate it. But we gotta get started now, so we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so the umu is now on. It's a little 21 minutes after 9, so we're gonna give it about 35 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it. But we gotta get started on the cooking. So, oh, and I didn't know if you guys noticed, when I was doing the luau there, that I wasn't using foil, and that was because we had no foil. So I haven't done that. I haven't done a luau without a foil in a very long time, but I have seen my dad do it every now and then, and so I was just trying to recall the steps doing it. So this was my first time doing luau with the laufa'i and the lauulu. So it was a bit rusty, as you guys see the luau, and hopefully we'll see a picture. It wasn't the most aesthetic looking luau, but yeah, I'm just trying to recall those things, especially, you know, last minute changes like this when I had no foil and I had to quickly adapt and find a solution before it was time to bake them. But I think it's a good lesson to start relearning how to do a luau with laufa'i and lauulu. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go check out what's for tonight, and then start cooking on that, and we'll check back on them later. Alright guys, back at kitchen HQ. Took out some freezer from the fridge, which will be so we've got sausages, fish, and mamoi. So got chicken there as well, so we'll see what I can do with that. But fairly straightforward menu, nothing complicated. So we're going to get started on that as soon as possible, because we've got about 2 hours left. Just gonna charge my phone because the battery's almost out. So it's been 35 minutes on the dot. So now we're gonna get them. Alright guys, so umu timing, spot on. Could have given it another minute or two, but it's what you call umu palangi, you know, vela palangi. It's not burnt, so it's white, you know, like the palangi. But to me, this is perfect. Look at that. That's perfect, man. It's beautiful. Alright, so the luau, not too proud of. First time doing the luau with lauulu, but room for improvement. But better start now doing it so that you can improve along in the future. But so far, the umu looks pretty good. Welcome back, guys. Battery's back up. So missed quite a lot during that break, but I'll get you guys up to speed. So we've got our chicken roasting with potatoes. Sorry about that. Our lamb stir fry. Just gonna let that reduce for a bit. We've got our sui'a. waiter there. Sorry about that, it's quite hot. And then got boiling water here, which I throw in the pasta for the stir fry. One thing that has sort of caught me off guard is the lack of vegetables right now for my stir fry. So I'm going to have to attack Uncle's pak choy bed, and we'll get some pak choys there, and I'm gonna go look for some tomatoes. So join me, guys. We're gonna go vegetable hunting. Rồi bắt lỗ nó cơm. Second half of the stir fry, I'm just gonna leave the lid open just so that I can evaporate some of the water and reduce it down to the oil. Sausages left, but it's all ready and done now, so see if we can get ourselves a plate. See you in a bit. Sausages done. Every time I see these sausages, I always remember that scene from Dumb and Dumber, if you guys remember, where Jim Carrey's in the van and he's like, "Footlong, who's got the footlong?
Footlong, who's got the footlong?"
Alright, we've got our plate here, so we've got our mamui, taro, luau, chicken and sausage. Okay guys, finally finished eating. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. Wanted to try something different where I record eating, but I was only able to do that because the Matai was eating and all of the kids and the family were eating. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did making it. Really appreciate the support, guys, and thank you so much for helping our channel grow.
Bye.
I'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll definitely see you soon, guys. God bless, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in a bit.